Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily English. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest notification which was released by IBPS. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for current updates. We all know that IBPS, that is the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, where the candidates will be selected for the post of clerk and POs in the field of bank. If you want to become a bank officer or if you want to work in the field of bank, you can apply for this and you are eligible for this exam also. So the basic qualification for this post is a bachelor's degree. So many candidates and many bank aspirants are interested in this, and it is a very tough exam also. If you have a passion of working in a banking sector, they will be attending this exam and they will be preparing for this from their starting years itself. They have released an official notification some days before. In that notification, they have said that there are a lot of vacancies for the post of clerk. If you want to work in the post of clerk in the banking field, you can apply also. They have asked like that, and in that notification, they have given the educational qualification and the exam pattern, syllabus, and the examination date, and the mode of examination, and the mode of online application also. In that they have given they have also said that there will be changes also, and it will be the decision made by the IPBS itself. They have also said that, and they have also given some guidelines and notifications due to this corona pandemic also, and they have released that examination will be conducted on the fixed dates itself, and they have said that the examination will be in online mode and the examination centers will be which will be very convenient for the candidates also. Now they have also released a notification regarding this clerk post. In the first notification, they have given that the post, that is the vacancy for IPBS clerk post is 1557. They have already said that, but in this new notification they have said that extraordinarily 1000 vacancies have been increased, that is 1000 vacancies for this post have been added also. So totally 2557 vacancies are available now. So the more number of vacancies, the more number of opportunities for the candidates. So if you are interested and if you have the passion to work in this field, you can apply for this, and the eligible candidates can attend the recruitment also and fill up all the vacancies also, because a more number of opportunities and more number of vacancies have been given. It will be a very golden opportunity for the bank exam aspirants also. So if you want to download the IPBS clerk notification, the official website has been given in the description box. You can go through it and directly go to the official link, so that you can know more about that. And the official PDF regarding the clerk notification has also been given in this description box. If you don't know about this post and the examination pattern, you can go and check through it. We have also already released and we have also elaborately explained about this IPBS notification, so you can go through that video also. If you are a bank aspirant and you have you are having the passion of working in a banking field, it is a very golden opportunity for you, and don't miss it. And all the best from our team. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the like button and share button, and don't forget to click the bell icon also, so you can get the current updates and notification from the IPBS also. Thank you.